Alright guys, we're going to do a review lesson on some coins. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a coin, then we're going to talk about each different one. And I'm going to take some notes over here. And then I will come back and show you them because I think you might not be able to see from that far away, okay? So the very first one we are going to talk about is the penny, alright? So think about how much a penny is worth. Right, a penny is only worth 1 cent. So I'm going to write that first, 1 cent. Now, what are some other things that we know about a penny? Who's on the penny? Yeah, our friend Abraham Lincoln. Okay, and the next thing we know about pennies is that it's made of copper. So that's why it's this gold color. So I'm going to just write made of copper. Okay. All right, so let's look at our notes for a penny. See if you can read that. Okay, we said a penny is worth 1 cent. Abraham Lincoln is on it, and it's made of copper. That's why it is that gold color. All right, let's talk about the nickel. The nickel. Okay. Oops. You see? All right. How much is a nickel worth?
How Mommy?
A nickel's worth 5 cents, right, Judy May? And Thomas Jefferson is on it, so we'll write him. He's on the front, and his house is on the back. And it is silver. So if a nickel is worth 5 cents, then how many pennies makes a nickel? 5, okay? So if I had 1, can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 pennies in one hand and 1 nickel in the other hand. These are equal because 5 pennies equals 1 nickel. Okay, good. All right, let's go on to a dime.
Mommy,
A dime.
How
How much is a dime worth? 10 cents.
many cents?
How many cents, Judy May? Say 10 cents. It is the smallest coin. It is silver. Okay, so we need to know how many pennies is equal to 1 dime. So if a dime is 10 cents, how many pennies would equal a dime? If you said 10, you are correct. So let me count out 10 pennies. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 pennies in one hand and a dime in the other, and they are equal because 10 pennies equals 1 dime. All right, so our last coin we're going to talk about is the quarter. Whoopsies. The quarter. The quarter is worth how much? Say 25 cents. It is the largest coin that we're going to learn about. It is silver. And George Washington is on it. Okay, so we need to know how many pennies is equal to 1 quarter. So if a quarter is 25 cents, how many pennies would that be? 25. And I had 25 pennies out, but my little helper today has been putting them back in her bank. So I would have 25 pennies in one hand and a quarter in the other, and they would be the same. All right, so let's go over our notes. Let's come over here. Read about a penny is 1 cent. Abraham Lincoln is on the front. It's made of copper. That's why it's that gold color. A nickel is 5 cents. Thomas Jefferson is on it. His house is on the back. It is silver. And 5 pennies equal 1 nickel, okay? A dime is the smallest little coin. is worth 10 cents. It's also silver. And 10 pennies equals 1 dime, okay? And our last one is a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. It is the largest coin. It's also silver, and George Washington is on the front of it, all right? And 25 pennies equals 1 quarter, okay? Now, when we were on Zoom earlier today, Miss Evelyn's mom thought of a really cool idea, and I wanted to share it with you guys. I already talked to Jacob about it. But it might be cool if you used your toys in your playroom and you gave them a price and then you went shopping. So you can use what you know about coins and how much the coins are worth to go shopping with your toys. Maybe your parents can help you out with that. All right, keep practicing quizzes and counting your money. And I will see you soon. Bye, guys.